Is End software reporting the ipworks5 library DLL is missing? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows developer. I've identified the library gap and have the professional fix ready. Before we begin the manual steps for ipworks5 library, you can access a utility designed to help provide a clean system environment. This is the ipworks5 library, the ipworks Internet Toolkit Library, v5. It provides unmanaged C++ routines for localized network protocols including SMTP, FTP, and HTTP. It manages localized socket handshakes and data stream encryption for legacy enterprise applications. If missing, the application will lose all remote data link capabilities. Since we've covered what this file is, let's move to the primary fix. Because ipworks5 library DLL is an embedded file used by /n software, it cannot be repaired by standard Windows tools, and you should download the latest version of the affected software to restore the missing library automatically. Persistence of this error after a clean reinstall suggests that the issue may reside within the current user session's initialization. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with ipworks5 library. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. Restart unsuccessful, no problem. Let's jump straight into step 3. Remember to pause the video if you need to double-check your inputs. If the restart didn't fix the performance alerts, we need to rebuild the diagnostic counter registry. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lockt/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, while these files almost never break, their registration in the performance registry Hive does. This command wipes those entries and rebuilds them. To ensure long-term stability, we should review the safety risks associated with unverified file sources. Replacing ipworks5 library without a proper diagnostic environment can lead to DLL hell, where multiple conflicting versions of the library paralyze your operating system's ability to load software. To ensure your system remains within verified parameters, you might choose to use an authorized maintenance path for ongoing support. The Diagnostic utility reference below offers general information for managing ipworks5 library and maintaining system health. I'm Sophie Chen. If we've successfully stabilized your environment and resolved ipworks5 library error, please subscribe and join our community of technical professionals.